Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by assessing the object and planning the route thoroughly. Estimate weight and dimensions, for example 200 pounds and 4 feet wide, to choose the right equipment. Measure doorways, thresholds, and gaps and ensure at least 3.5 inches clearance where possible. Walk the path and remove obstacles like rugs and small furniture. Identify narrow turns and steep steps and plan alternate routes. Decide if you need at least 3 people, a 500 lb rated dolly, or protective gloves before you begin. Position yourself close to the object and prepare your stance before lifting. Lift with your legs, keep your back straight, and hold the object close to your body at all times. Use a 500 lb rated dolly, moving straps and sliders to reduce friction and required force. When using a ramp, keep angles under 15 degrees and secure the load with straps to prevent roll. Communicate with your team using short commands like lift, step, and set. Move slowly and adjust footing with each step to maintain balance. When transporting, move at a steady, slow pace and stop often to check stability. Stop every 10 feet to reassess grip and balance and to communicate any adjustments. Reduce height when passing under obstacles and keep at least 6 inches clearance from walls or furniture. Set the object down slowly with controlled movements, keeping it balanced and feet clear of pinch points. Secure the final placement with padding, tie-downs, or wedges before releasing straps. Inspect both the object and route for damage after placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.